How to download Google Chrome on a MacBook. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Google Chrome on MacBook. So it's pretty easy and simple. But as you're wondering, I'm on a Windows PC, but the procedure that I'm going to show you is going to help you out 100% because it's all the same. So in my PC, I already have Google Chrome, but let's say for instance, I'm going to use Microsoft Edge. But instead of Microsoft Edge, you will be having Safari. So what is Safari? Safari is basically a web browser specifically for Apple devices, just like MacBooks and other devices. So here, as you can see, this is what Safari looks like, and this is how it operates. So it's basically just like an app web browser, and you could basically search and download stuff from it. Next, what you need to do is just type in Google Chrome inside your Safari, just like type in Google. And once you type in Google, you just gotta go to Google and you'll see something like just like this on your Safari. What you need to do is just type in Google Chrome. And once you do this, here as you can see, you'll be able to see two options over here. First one is just basically the fast and service Google, it's on link, and then you will be able to see Google Chrome on App Store. So this is the newer version. So you could basically have your own app store on your MacBook. Here, as you can see, I'm on Windows, but I don't see any option of download. But yeah, you could just basically download it from right over here. But let's say if you're not satisfied from this, you could just basically always go to your Google Chrome's on website, and here you will be able to see the option of download Chrome. You just gotta press on download Chrome, and then you just gotta confirm everything, and your download will start right away. So yeah, this is actually it on how you can download Google Chrome on MacBook. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and yeah, consider subscribing to the channel, and that's it.